Welcome to ABC Pediatric Clinic. Let's now move on to the third tab, Patient Information. Under this tab, you will find 10 options. Number 1, Allergies. Number 2, Forms. Number 3, Growth Chart. Number 4, Immunization or Shot Records. Number 5, Labs. Number 6, Handouts. Number 7, Patient Information. Number 8, Prescriptions. Number 9, Problem List. Number 10, Visit History. Let's look at the Allergy tab. In this tab, you will find your child's medication to allergies as well as food allergies listed. You see that the patient is allergic to penicillin, which causes the patient to get hives. The patient's food allergies is to peanuts, which causes tongue swelling. Let's look at the Forms tab. In this tab, you will find forms you have requested from our office. Simply choose the form you would like to see and click View. You will then receive a pop-up on your screen. Click on Open and OK. This is just an example of how to print out a form. Just click on Print on the upper left-hand side. Let's look at some examples of all the forms. School Physical Form, School Excuse Form, WIC Form, Lab Order Form, Head Start Form, Work Excuse Form, Asthma Action Plan, Dental Clearance Form. Notice, it is required that all forms be printed out through the patient portal. We will no longer keep paper copies in our clinic for pickup. If you do not have access to a computer, you may come to our clinic and use our laptop to print out these forms. Let's look at the growth chart. In this tab, you can see how your child has been growing since the day they started attending our clinic. If you click on the arrow here, you can view their stature, weight, and body mass. Let's look at the Immunization tab. In this tab, you can see your child's shot record. You can also print out your shot record by clicking on the print button. If you scroll down to the bottom, it will show you if your child is due for any vaccines. Notice that we now require families to print out their shot records from the patient portal. If you don't have access to a computer or printer, you may come to the clinic and use our laptop to print out your child's shot records. Let's now look at the Labs tab. In this tab, you will find all the labs and x-rays your child has done from April 2014 to current date. If you click on the lab, it will show you the results. For example, I have chosen to view the results of the blood work that was done on September 2014, and the results are normal. Now let's look at a chest x-ray from October 2014. If you click on the x-ray, it will open up this page. Click on the highlighted blue text and then click on the open icon. You can now see the final report of the x-ray. Let's look at the Links and Handouts tab. In this tab, you will find all the handouts that the doctor will want you to read. For example, October 10, 2014, the doctor posted a handout for Bright Futures. Click on the handout to read the full article. It is very important to read the handouts. They will give you important information about your child's sickness, chronic illness, and development. All handouts can be found in English and Spanish. Let's now look at the Patient Information tab. In this tab, you will find your child's demographic information, including date of birth, race, ethnicity, and preferred language. Let's look at the Prescription tab. In this tab, you will find a list of medications prescribed to your child by our doctors in our clinic. You may also print out the list by clicking on the print button. Let's look at the Problem List tab. In this tab, you will find a list of diagnoses for your child. Let's look at the Visit History tab. In this tab, you will find all the doctor's notes. The notes are separated into office visits, which is the same as a sick visit, which are located at the top, and the checkups, which are located in the bottom. To view the doctor's notes, please click here. Let's look at an example of an office sick visit. I will click on the sick visit that was done on October 3rd, 2014. You can see the vitals here, diagnosis here, and the doctor's plans here. Any handouts that are sent to the patient portal for you to read are here. Any vaccines given are here, and any tests done here. Let's look at an example of a checkup. I will click on October 3rd, 2014. You can see the vitals here, any handouts here, follow-up appointments here, any tests done here, and any vaccines that were given here. If you need any further assistance, please don't hesitate to call us at 713-455-7777. Thank you. ABC Pediatric Clinic, treating you like family.